Ms. Anderson-Martina.
Thank you. Ireland is in receipt of EU funding which delivers much needed investment, hence I am acutely aware of the importance of cohesion policy funding. I disagree with macroeconomic conditionality being applied to cohesion funding, the sanctioning mechanism triggering suspension of funds if budgetary discipline, namely austerity, is not implemented. Cohesion policy should not have a sword hanging over its head, because the banking sector, for one, will be reluctant to provide credit to SMEs or councils, for instance, for much needed projects, when the EU funding element of the project could be suspended. That said, I recognise the work done by colleagues in the REGI Committee to limit the application of macroeconomic conditionality by including socio-economic safeguards that take into account unemployment and poverty rates in relevant member states when suspension of cohesion fund is being considered. However, I still believe it will have adverse impacts. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Salafrakos.
Κύριε Πρόεδρε, συγχαίρω όλους τους εισηγητάς για τη συνεισφορά τους σε ένα πολύ σημαντικό θέμα, όπως αυτό της περιφερειακής πολιτικής, που θέτει κανόνες για την απορρόφηση συνολικά 325 δισεκατομμυρίων για την περίοδο 2014-2020.